called the Wheel of Virtues, but there are also other wheels that went outside of it. Now these wheels are template encryptions. They're mathematical encryptions that have shape, that actually hold specific frequency, that manifests as various things and conditions. The virtues, I'm not going to name all of those if you want to go through them that way. They were covered in KDDL1, but this is referred to as the virtues wheel, and each one of these encryptions actually is a portion, it's a mathematical pattern that exists in the Dlezak radiation encryption form within your templates, and these would be in the light body template and the external creation templates, but they also can, under certain circumstances, span through and receive the deity plane frequencies from internal creation. So these templates, say if you have the virtue of, let's say, passion, right? There's certain characteristics that if somebody describes a person as being a passionate person, they seem to have certain qualities of expression and of experience and of perception that give them what people would call that quality, all right? And passion is actually a mathematical encryption. If it's turned on in your template, you will have it. If only a little is turned on in your template, you'll have a little of it. If a lot's turned on in your template, you'll have lots of it. And this is how these work. It's not just a concept that the 3D conscious mind, the ego mind, can understand. These virtues are actually mathematical encryptions that control and regulate the flow of frequency and of consciousness into and out of your physical body system. And if they're not turned on, you can't experience, you will not even know what that feels like. If you don't have, prosperity, if you don't have the virtue of prosperity turned on, you will not even know that's possible. You will not feel the abundance of the cosmos. You will not realize it is an open field, because your own thought forms will create a barrier to the frequencies of prosperity turning on. This is why it's important to you to really work with affirmations and those kind of things. Alone, they don't fix it all, but they're a good start, because you start to clear away the filters that allow, the negative filters that allow more of the frequencies of your consciousness to actually come in, and you can bring in more of the frequencies of prosperity, because prosperity is also a mathematical encryption that is held within templates.